Here we have a 10-pack of reusable dishcloths by Swedish Wholesale. These super absorbent towels can hold up to 20 times their weight in liquid and are perfect for wiping down any surface, especially when cleaning up kitchen spills or bathroom tidying. Just one of these dishcloths can replace 15 rolls and can be used up to 100 times to clean a variety of messes. Just throw them in the wash after every use and they'll be as good as new. They are made of a fast-drying, durable, long-lasting, and odor-resistant cellulose and cotton. Their scrubbing ridges and diamond-texture grip surface become soft to the touch when wet, but is gritty enough for scouring when they are dry to help remove dirt. They are safe for use on marble, stainless steel, tile, and wood surfaces, and are a great solution for scrubbing or drying dishes, sinks, tubs, and showers. You can also use them for a streak-free clean on mirrors and windows. They make a great eco-friendly gift, available in single color packs including blue, gray, lime, purple, watermelon red, or assorted colors. So if you're looking for a reusable alternative for paper towels, I recommend these dishcloths.